Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about blending and segmenting again. We're going to start by just blending a few words. So listen to the sounds. You should tap them on your fingers or tap them on your arm and try and solve the word. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with k, I, d. Listen again. K, I, d. Did you get the word kid? Nice job. Let's try one more just like that. How about a, n? Listen again. A, n. Did you get fun? Nice job. All right. Now we're going to try and figure out how many syllables are in that word. Remember, the syllables are the number of sounds in the word when you say it. So like in the word fun, like when we sounded it out, n, those are the sounds in the word. So let's count to see how many sounds are in the word fun. N. How many sounds are there? 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, see if you can do two things. First, you're going to blend together the sounds to make a word. And I want you to find how many syllables there are. So two things, pretty challenging. Let's see if we can do it. Let's try the word b, e, d. Blend it together to make a word. B, e, d. Did you get the word bed? All right. Now, how many syllables are there in the word bed? Let's count them. B, e, d. There are 1, 2, 3 sounds in the word bed. That's how many syllables we found. Let's try that one more time. Try and do both things. Blend the word and find how many syllables there are. Let's do the word t, I, p. Blend them together. Squish it to make a word. T, I, p. Did you get the word tip? Good job. Now, let's see how many syllables are in the word tip. Let's count them together. T, I, p. Wow, there are 1, 2, 3 syllables in the word tip. Nice job. All right, boys and girls. You should keep practicing your sounds just like that, even if it's not with Mrs. Phillips or Miss McCleary. Let's try the other way. Let's see. Let's tell me the sounds in the word fog. The sounds are g. Did you remember to tap on your fingers or to tap on your arm? Okay, let's try the next one. Get your fingers ready to tap or your hand ready on your arm. Tell me the sounds in the word map. A. Good job. Let's do one more. Tell me the sounds in the word pet. P, E, T. Good job. All right, boys and girls, that's all for sounds today. Keep working through your lessons. Great job.